I will be showing you how to make create invoices in your PayPal. So once you have logged in, I've already done that. You just go to tools, you go to invoicing, click there, and then this screen will appear. Now if you want to create invoices for your customers and stuff like that, you can just simply go to create invoice, click here. Okay, and then you can just say um, you know if it's a service invoice, it would be in hours. If it's amount only, it could be if it's a good, so it depends which invoice you want to make, it would be amount. So you can just add your company logo here, just click here and choose file and upload that from your desktop. The frequency, it could be a once off or every week you want to send, or you can custom it. Invoice number is already by default here, or you can just change invoice number, whatever you want to add. So that's the invoice number, and the invoice date, you can fix whatever date the invoice is on. And the reference number, this is the purchase order reference, so you can just write that purchase order number here, okay, from your purchase order. And the due date could be on due on receipt or due in 30 days, it's on credit, for example. And you can email this invoice to your customer, so you can add new customer, and you can just add their email address. And for example, I add, this is a customer, for example, their email address, their business name, whatever their business name is, their name, last name, country, phone number, additional information, save that, their billing address, where they are located, their company is located, their shipping address, where do you ship them goods, and invoice language, and just save it. Click save, and then you can just click here and the uh, add the email of the person you're invoicing to. So this would just email that. And you can also add multiple customers. You can CC your manager, maybe you can add their email address, and customize the quantity if you want by quantity, hours. So I'll just do quantity right now, and which items you want the invoice to have, maybe custom amount, the date, item discount. Do you want to add that? Just tick this, and it will have this item discount if you're giving discount, or untick that if you're not giving a discount. Okay, so these ticked ones are shown here, and you can just add other options as well, and you can choose the currency, whichever you want. Okay, you can say item name, for example, it's a headphone, and quantity is one. Price would be, for example, it's for £2. And if there's any tax, you can add tax. And for example, VAT. And I don't know the rate of the VAT right now, rate of VAT in UK. I have no clue about it. Okay, I'll just say 20%, for example, 20%, and I'll just save that. Okay, and so its VAT is 20%. Okay, and that's saved. You can add more descriptions, so it's wireless headphone, etc. And you can just save the item as well if you want, so you don't need to create that again. Item is saved in the catalog. Add new row if you want to add something more, like you want to add any other item, uh, you want to add headphone or whatever. So it's all because I saved that item, so now I don't have to type it physically, right, manually, and stuff like that. So I'll just cross this out, for example, because I just want to add one more. You can add as many items. And then there's a discount. If you want to give discount, you could just say in pounds you want to give discount, or percentage. I'll just give 10% discount, so it automatically calculates that. It deducts 20 pence. And shipping cost would be, I would say, 99 pence is the shipping cost, for example. The customer has to pay that. And tax on postage, it's no tax. Okay, the VAT is that much. Okay, so the total they have to pay is 3.515. Okay, and if I just delete the shipping, if I don't want the shipping, I can just say 0. And so it's up to you. And so there's no tax on shipping. Okay, postage don't have any tax, so that's fine. and VAT is 0.36, and that's the total. And you can allow partial payment, allow customer to add a tip, okay, whatever. And then you can add the note to the recipient, to your customers when they'll be receiving this invoice, they will see a note as well. So you can just say thank you for your business, thank you for your business, and stuff like that. Whatever you want to add. Terms and condition could be that, return policy, uh, 30 days, um, or you can say, you'll get refund, or 30 days credit, so they can pay within 30 days. You can attach, any files you want. I'll just preview this first. So preview will let me see before sending it, so I can just see how it looks like, how they would be able to see it. And that's the invoice number. You can see the invoice number, the date, reference, the due date. That's the reference for purchase order. I just made it up. Due date is 23rd August, so I gave them 30 days after 24 July. Amount due. You can see the description, the headphone quantity, price, amount, the discount. You can see delivery, VAT, and it's 3.15. And the terms and condition, they can have a look. And thank you for your business. So that's whole invoice they can see. And I can also print that. Okay, that's how customer will see it. I can also print that and file it. Maybe I can edit it. I can send it via PayPal or share the link. So if I want to send via PayPal, I can just add their address here, um, and I can add their address here. It will send via PayPal. Or if I want to share link myself, then I can just click there. I can copy this, okay, and I can just email them. Um, okay, I can just email them. Email them and paste the link and email them. So it's up to me. And so it's ready to be paid by the customers, and it's written unpaid right now, the status and invoice and everything. So that's how it works. And